Alright, what is happening, everybody? Get this thing down the drag strip real quick. First run of the evening. Temperature is 84 degrees, density altitude somewhere around 2200 right now. If I'm being honest, I haven't even checked tire pressure. And we've got a noob next to us. Fantastic. He is rear, that's his rear tires. Cringe. That's all right. We're just working on reaction time more than anything else. So, not too... Oh, by the way, this is also going to serve as a bit of a driving impression of the power stop brake pads, and they're working great. So now I'm going to pull up the pages, see what the car ran. I'm going to guess it's probably a 1090. Given the conditions, I can't really ask a lot of the car, but let's see what the pages have. Interesting to see in this DA what the timer will read. It's showing 1070 at 128, 0 to 60 of 2.8 seconds. I'll be honest with you guys, that is optimistic to say the least. But we will learn together. Hang on, let me get this helmet off. I will say this, it is nice and toasty, to say the least. Let's find out how we did. Thank you. Yeah. Well, damn. I mean, it doesn't get much more accurate than that. 1078 at 127.99. Scales are working, and I can't read because there's a glare. I can't see it. Oh well. Screw it. Hang on, let me get this thing flipped around if I can do that. I can't. Anyway, there's your first ride along. Sorry, I kind of got flaked out, but 1078 at 128, basically 127.99. We're gonna get her cooled off, track dead hooked. Car did what she did always, which is get down the track nice, and it was a slow 60 foot, 161, which I kind of expected. And for you 8th mile guys, 69.58 at 120 my ass, 102.77. That's a wrap on your ride along. Adios.